Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying your account and network so you don't chase false leads. Sign in to the exact Xbox account tied to your Game Pass Ultimate. This ensures entitlement checks pass. Once signed in, switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band or plug in Ethernet for consistent throughput and lower latency. Make sure to quit any competing streaming apps and restart the Xbox Cloud Gaming app or browser tab so tokens and permissions refresh before moving on. Next, reset the network and update software to remove transient errors. Restart your router and modem, then power cycle the console or PC to clear DHCP and NAT glitches. While rebooting, check for system and app updates. Outdated firmware or browser builds often break cloud sessions. Once updated, clear the Xbox app cache or browser site data so a clean auth flow occurs. Then reauthorize any requested permissions so the cloud session can finally validate connectivity and isolate external causes so you can finish playing. Run the Xbox network test and observe packet loss and latency. Low loss and 150 ms is ideal. If problems persist, test a different region or a mobile hotspot to see if your ISP or regional routing is the culprit. If that isolates the issue, contact Xbox support with test results and logs. If you attempt a VPN, only do so according to Microsoft's policies to avoid account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.